Hello guys, today I have a Yale challenge lock made by RB. I don't know who he is. I got this lock from Bosnian Bill. Thank you Bill for this lock. I will show you the bitting and the key. It's a Yale GB keyway with a very able bitting. Lock does work like if it was just a standard lock. I will just use the key to shift my phone to the right height. Now I will just use my very long tension wrench. Oops, dropped it. It's very long, but it gets handy because it's never too short, I guess. Just take a medium hook for now. Not very hard. I just overshot something, I felt it. I just been down and I wanted to go too fast. It's not open, not yet, but almost. I'm just missing the last pin, the 6th pin. I will just use a custom hook made by Mike Perg, sorry, and I will just leave that pin. It's a spool, and it's not very hard to lift, but you sorry. Working around the camera is a little bit awkward. Come on, you. There we go, now it's open. So I will get it. I'll just take the key, so it will tilt down a little bit. Just get my tools. Oops, throw the follower. So it's picked. I will just use the key because it's a challenge lock. We never know what's inside of there. I will just took this thing out and the tailpiece out. Not too bad. Just take my follower. I think they were deeply serrated pins. I'm not sure for threading. I don't think if it was threaded, it was not very deep threading, in my opinion. Very long key pin. There are one serration on the top, So if you overset them, they are not going to get down that easy. All long key pins, oh sorry, with that groove on them, at the top, very nicely made. This one at the end has two. You have every single one of them, those chambers are threaded down, as you can see, I hope, and different depths. Yeah, but deeply grooved. I didn't expected that. And for the magic part, I think there will be serrated, and yeah, homemade serrated, very nasty looking pin. Another one, but very different, but also very nasty main pin. Oops. It's a drunken thing with a mixture of how do you call these? A barrel pin, cryo wing barrel pin, and a serrated with mixed with a spool. Oh, quite interesting. I have it was in this way, a pin and pin. I didn't felt it at all. Just a standard pin and a very sharp spool like I expected for the last chamber, if I can get him out. Yeah, so it's what we are looking at. So chambers number 1, there was serrated, mixture, pin and pin, standard, and a very sharp spool. Thank you for watching, guys, and please stay legal.